Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Vespa S150 scooter. Automatic transmission, electric start, beautiful Italian red color. Only 11,981 miles on this gorgeous Vespa scooter. 2-up capability. Come on by. Make your scooter dreams come true for just $29.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Go! Look at that thing go. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.